We need to sort the details data from Facebook, as we did with the Google Analytics details data. We created the sort detailed function for this. Thus, copy-paste the sort detailed function into the Facebook notebook. It's all set already. We just need to insert first our cleaned Facebook details data, which has the same format as the cleaned Google Analytics details data, and second, the metrics used. Now we can start with one of our loop functions. Let's do the totals data first. Copy-paste it from the other notebook. Change the connection parameter to a better fitting name and add the metric parameter. And then change the description accordingly. You can just copy-paste the parameter descriptions from other functions, where we already described them. We need to adjust a couple of things in the function itself as well. First, I chose another date as starting date, so change it according to the date up to which you would like to query data. You could use today or just 1 or 2 weeks after your starting date, so you can test your function first. Change the date throughout the function. Then change the description of the extraction platform. We are now extracting from Facebook, and below replace the to extracting function with our single campaign stats extracting function. Adjust the parameters for that function according to the loop parameter names, and don't forget to add the metrics parameter, which is called add fields. Then we need to change the transformed data part according to our function that we wrote above. We don't need to add two parts together, as we only have one extracted dictionary. The rest of the if statement is fine. Now adjust the else statement accordingly, as well as the when loop in the else statement. Just copy-paste our changes from above in and define the transformed data as previous data, as we did in the Google Analytics loop function. In the while section, you can also copy-paste parts from above. However, you should not call the transformed data previous data here, but leave it as transformed data. If you don't change this, the function still works for the first week though. I will change it in the next video. Alright, let's test this function and let's see if it still works. And as you can see, it works fine for the first week.